Hi, my name is Susan. For this introduction activity, my dream job is to be a produce farmer and like own my own greenhouse and run it if it pays well. This is my dream job because I'm a public health major and I took a community health class and I got involved in the garden at Hospitality House and just really liked it. It was really fun. So ever since then, I've wanted to run my own community garden like that or greenhouse, and hopefully it'll happen. Um, how will or may this class help you with that pursuit? Well, this class is all about organization and management with food, so hopefully it'll help me know how to organize systems and how to run food operations better. Uh, yeah, and just how to work with others and yeah. Identify 2 to 3 action steps your plan to help you obtain this job. Well, I have an internship this summer with the greenhouse in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and the greenhouse works with a lot of community restaurants that do farm to table efforts. So I think that working with them will kind of help me see how to like run and maintain a greenhouse and make a profit from it. Another action step. I graduate in May and I'm moving to Charleston, South Carolina, so I guess trying to find jobs in Charleston that involve farm to table efforts or gardening. And I guess just in whatever community I live in, get involved with community gardens and volunteer work that have to do with greenhouses or urban farming or like hydroponic systems, stuff like that. So, yeah, okay, cool. Thank you.